24 divided by 6 times 4 minus 1 equals what? Some people solve this expression like this. 6 times 4 equals 24. So we have 24 divided by 24 minus 1. 24 divided by 24 is 1. So we have 1 minus 1 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally, addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. The same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, so we must work from left to right. Therefore, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So we have 4 times 4 minus 1. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. As I said, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16. So we have 16 minus 1 equals 15. And this is our final answer. The correct answer is 15.